Hello everyone, I'm sharing this video today because I got a lot of comments in my channel about files transfer from a phone to a computer. Sometimes there are some issues. You might not see all of your pictures, you will see pictures but not the videos or not the PDF and something like that. So I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem. Before I show you in my computer and in my phone, I just would like to mention this. When you are using a cable with your phone, make sure it's a data transfer cable, because there are two types of cables: charging cable and data transfer cable. If you are using a charger from your phone to a computer, you will not see your files because it's just charging your phone. You will not be able to see your files. Make sure the cable you are using is a data transfer cable. Now I'm gonna connect my phone to my computer and I'm gonna show you how to transfer your pictures, your files to your computer. Once your phone is connected, just slide your finger from top to the bottom of your phone. You will see an option here, transferring images via USB. Press that, open it, press again. You will get this menu right here. This menu is very important because you know the option that was selected was PTP. If I go to my computer, I will not see all of my files. The solution for this problem is this one. You need to put a check mark on this one. Transferring files, Android Auto, where it says files, because if you don't select this option, you will not be able to see all of your files. If you have any PDF saved in your phone, any videos, whatever, you will see sometimes pictures only, but you will not see videos. The problem is here. Make sure to select always transferring files, Android Auto. So always go with this option right here. So I'm gonna select this. In this phone, I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna go to my files. So I have videos and pictures. These are just some examples. This is a video, these are videos at the top, and I have pictures at the bottom right here. So I'm gonna show you, if I'm gonna go back to the USB settings, USB, and I'm gonna go with this one, for example. So if I go to my computer to access my phone, this is my phone. I don't see anything. This option will just charge your phone, no data transfer. If you go with this one, you might see pictures, for example, but you will not see videos. Let's go and check. This is my phone. Open it, camera. You see, I see only pictures. I don't see videos. Why? Because I choose the wrong option. Check it again. It's PTP. The same thing with this option. But if you go with this, transferring files, this one, if you go with this one, you will see everything. Any documents saved in your phone. Remember this option. Transferring files, where it says files. All the files saved in your phone. Now let's open my phone. Even the phone icon is changing. You will notice that in your computer. Let's open it. Now you see, I see videos and I can see my pictures. If you have any other files, any other format or extension like a PDF or any other file, you will be able to see it when you select transferring files. Just make sure, because you have to do it every time you're transferring your files to your computer, because it switches in your phone automatically. So that's it, guys. That's what I wanted to share with you today. I hope it's clear. Please don't forget to subscribe and have a good day.